and boom guys, you will have like auto farming, enable coin auto farm. You can adjust the farming speed, farm on the ground, return to lobby bag. I can go on and on guys and make
Welcome back people. Murder Mystery 2 will not be the same anymore because I have the Murder Mystery 2 script that will change a lot in your game. So guys, just sit back, relax, let me guide you through it on how we can get it on Roblox through the Delta Executor for both iOS and Android devices.
Okay, so today in Murder Mystery 2, I will execute the Murder Mystery 2 script. And you will just see in a very bit what we can do all with it, people. You see it all loading up nice and well. Game detected Murder Mystery 2 is, it says right here. And boom guys, you will have like auto farming, enable coin auto farm. You can adjust the farming speed, farm on the ground, return to lobby bag. I can go on and on guys and make this video so long for you. But this is a step-by-step tutorial on how we can get the Murder Mystery 2 script, of course, for both iOS and Android devices. So what is very important guys is to make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. And now you can open up any browser, but search for blockstweaks.com and blockstweaks.com only. This is the place to be. We will open up the script selector and just search for the Murder Mystery 2 game so that we can get the script for it. So almost 750,000 downloads and almost a 5.0 rating right there guys. So it says it all. This is the place to be and to get all the best stuff related to Roblox. So now guys, let us select Forge Hub, as that is the one hub that goes perfectly well for Murder Mystery 2, even for some other games on Roblox, but we are focusing for Murder Mystery 2. So you have a step-by-step tutorial for the last step that we will go to after we tap on this little button right here. It is highly recommended to watch the tutorial, but also you can still follow up your boy. You will have two options to complete, either 2 questionnaires or to download 2 apps. If you want to complete the questionnaires, that will be a faster way for you. Or to download 2 apps, you will need to, for example, for misplay 3 games, play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So make sure to read it all carefully. Make sure to see what you should be doing. Of course, choose from the questionnaires or the apps. Only one is needed. And that is how you will get your Murder Mystery 2 script on Roblox. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. See ya.